Hello everyone. So in today's session, we will learn how to create and attach IAM role in AWS using Terraform. So we have created the article and uploaded on our DevOps Inc website. You can refer over there. Now for this purpose, we will need prerequisite. So you must have the AWS account set up. If you don't have any account created, you must create an account. Then you have the AWS CLI installed. You can refer the website, and from here you can copy the link and download the needed version. Now, after that, in the CLI or else in your Windows command prompt, you have to give the command AWS configure, and then you have to provide the AWS access key ID, secret access key, preferred region, and output format. You will get all these when you create a user in AWS Management Console. After creating the user, you will get this access key and secret access key. So we will learn how to create it in the practical. Now you need Terraform installed in your Windows or in your PC, and with this you must have the Terraform extension also. Now the account you are going to create should have the necessary IAM permissions and necessary IAM policy for Terraform. So the syntax for the Terraform policies, IAM policy, sorry, you will get it from the Terraform document. I have just copied it from there, but we are not going to use this. Let's proceed further. So the IAM trust relationship, you have to define it with IAM role. We will see it in later. So if you need to customize your policy, you can have it in AWS Management Console. I will show you later on. Now, before creating any instance or any role in AWS using Terraform, you need to create a new folder and save the and you have to create a new file with .tf extension. This is very important. Now after that, you have to copy this code. I have copied this code from Terraform document. So now, after copying the code, you will get the idea that first we are creating the role. I have given the name demo role, and after that, we are creating the instance profile. I have given the name demo profile. So the role is associated with the demo, instance profile, and then with that instance profile, which is associated with the EC2 instance. So with this role attached and the profile we have created, which have the Amazon S3 full access, we will create the EC2 instance. And in this instance, you must know the AMI ID, which is of your specific region. You will get it while creating the EC2. I'll show you in the practical. And after that, you have to apply the Terraform command, Terraform FMT, Terraform initiate, and Terraform plan, and then Terraform apply. So now let's proceed to the practical. First, we have to go to the management console. Here in services, go to the IAM. In IAM, you have to create one user. Create user. So I will provide a name as IAM. Sorry, I will provide a name as IAM user. Now click on next. So they showing me you can't use this name. So I will keep it as IAM only. And now click on next. So I will attach policies directly. And for demo purpose, I am giving the administrative access in permissions. And now we will click on the next. So yes, you can see your user is created. Now you have to click on this user and in security credentials, scroll down. You have to create or generate the access key. So click on create access key. Now in access key, click on CLI, that is command line interface. Check box the click. Then click on next. If you want to give any descriptive tag, you may, but I am leaving it and creating access key. Now you have to save this access key as they have given the message over here. After this, you will never get to know about the access key and secret key. So I will copy the access key and save it in my notepad. And same for the secret access key. Now let's save this. So we have this, our access key. Now go to Windows command prompt, and here you have to first create your folder and file. So I will create a folder in a desktop, name demo IAM, and in that I will create. Okay, we will go by another way. So for this purpose, I am using the Visual Studio Code. So by right clicking on the folder, I will open it with code. Now our folder is opening with the Visual Studio Code, and in this folder, I will create a new file. So always remember, while using Terraform, you must create a file with .tf extension. So I will give this file name as demo.tf and click on enter. So now this file is on desktop. On desktop we have a demo IAM folder, and over there the file name is demo. We'll click on create file. Now you can see they have shown the Terraform symbol. That means the file is created in Terraform only. Now you have to open the your settings in PC, and in settings scroll down, you will see about. So it will differ as per your PC, and in about you have to go to advanced system setting, and in advanced system setting you have to go to environment variables. In environment variables, you have to change the path. So we are creating a new path. For new path, we will go to browse directory. In directory HP, we have created the folder in desktop, and in desktop you can see demo IAM folder is created. Now click on OK. So I will copy this and variable name will be same. So now click on OK. Now close the terminal. So purpose of creating this is in CLI, the folder will act as a desktop folder. Now after changing the environment variable, it will act as the whole PC or whole system folder. So that's why we have to change the setting in the environment variable. So now give the command and we will enter in the particular folder. You have to use the command cd. Now we are in desktop, and in desktop we have the folder created. Sorry, I forgot the name of the folder. It is demo IAM. So you have to remember the name of the folder. So now we are in the specific folder which is in the desktop. Now here we have to give the AWS configure command. So they will ask you the access key which we have saved in Notepad. So let's just copy it and we will paste it here. Now the secret access key. So now my default region is AP South 1. I am going with this. But if you want to change the region, you have to go to your management console. As user is created globally. But if you want to create the particular use specific service in a specific region, you will click on this global and you can see over here the name of the region. So I am going with Mumbai, AP South 1. So I will just click enter and the default output format. If you have one, you can enter it, but I am going with JSON only. So now you are in the specific folder with your access keys. So here I have created demo.tf as you know. I'll go to our article. And from here, I will copy the syntax. You will get this syntax from Terraform document file also. You just have to go to official Terraform page. And from there, you have to enter which type of service you want. The syntax will be in front of you. And you have to just make the changes according to your need. Okay, it's taking a while to copy. So now I will copy the code in my Terraform file. So you can see over here, my code is weaving in colorful format. This is because I have used the Terraform extension. Because of it, it will be easy to you to understand the code. So here you can see I have provided the provider AWS, and I have mentioned the region as we discussed earlier. And in resources, I am going to use AWS IAM role. So I am giving my role name demo role. And this syntax I have copied from Terraform document only. So now with that role, I am attaching the Amazon S3 full access, and this role is now access with the instance profile. So the instance profile here I have given the name demo profile, and now with this both, that means the role and the profile now get access and they are attached to the instance. So here I have created the instance name as demo instance. So this AMI ID you have to copy it from the region. So let's go to the Amazon management console, and here we will see how to get that AMI ID. So go to services, and in services go to EC2. In EC2 you just have to click on launch instances. So you can see over here I am in a Mumbai region. Scroll down, and here in the application and OS images, there is Amazon machine image. If you select, I am going with the Amazon Linux one to create my EC2 instance. You have this AMI ID. It is different from different region. So if you change the region, it will change accordingly. So now I am in the Mumbai region. I will just copy this ID and I will paste it in my code, in the Visual Studio Code. So here I will copy it, and now you just have to save the code. So now for using the further Terraform command, you can go to command prompt of Windows, or you can use the terminal in the code itself. So I am going to use for now in Visual Studio Code. So click on these dots and new terminal open. So now you are in the desktop in demo IAM folder in the with the demo.tf file. So here you have to give the command Terraform fmt. So why we are using this command? Because with fmt command, the code we have used earlier, it will be inconsistent. So click on enter. Now we will give Terraform initiate command. So it will create the plan. It will give the Terraform command what we are going to do in this code. So that's why we are using the Terraform initiate command. So we have to wait till it initialize. So here they have showing the version. Just we have to wait till the initializing is in process. So now you can see Terraform has been successfully initialized. This message is displayed. Now we are ready to plan. So give the command Terraform plan. So now you can see they have created the log file, tf state file, everything is created. Now After doing the plan, they have showed that 4 changes will be made. So you have to now, if you know that everything is correct over here, just go through it once if you want to change anything. And if everything is good, then you can give the further command Terraform apply. Just click on enter. So now it will create the IAM role, then instance profile, and then it will attach it with EC2 instance. So you have to enter the value as S if you want to create it, and if you do want to create make any changes, then you may give the command no. So you can see over here the role is creating. After role will create, the policy attachment will be done, and after that the instance profile will be get created, and after that with this all role instance profile, the EC2 instance will get created. So we have to wait till it get created. Let's wait. Yes. So apply is complete. Whatever changes we have made in code, they are now done. So how to cross verify that whatever we have done is correct or not? Let's go to management console for this. In management console, go to services. In services, we are going to IAM, and in IAM, we can on the left side go to roles. So just scroll down and you can see over here we have created the demo role. Just click on it and we can see it is created. Now we have to check the EC2 instance is created or not. So go to services again, click on EC2 over here, and in EC2 we will see the instance is running or not. If the instance is running, that means the code we have generated is correct. See, we have just created the code. It is still initializing. See, the code is generated. Now, we don't want to pay to AWS for any service. For that, in case, we have to destroy all the work we have done in the Terraform. For that, again go to Visual Studios and here give the command Terraform destroy and click on enter. So it will ask you again if you want really you want to create delete it or not. So it will delete all the role policy and the instance we have created. Now they will ask, do you really want to destroy all resources? You have to just enter the value as S. So it will clean up all the resource we have created in management console. So we have to wait till it display the message that everything is successfully deleted. We will wait. See, they are still displaying the message that everything is in progress, whatever you have created. We have to wait until they display the message that everything is deleted now. The resource you created. See, so destroy it complete. The 4 resources we have created and that are destroyed now. So we will check again in management console is really deleted or not. So here you just have to refresh in EC2 instance as we have opened it already. So you can see over here no instance is created in this region. Let's go and check the role. Go to IAM and in IAM go to roles. So you can see There are only the roles I have previously created. There is no further role named demo role. So in this way, we have seen how to create the role, how to attach policies to that role, and how to create EC2 instance through it. And we have used all these commands. I have already told the significance of this command. Now, one more thing is remaining. Why to attach the S3 policy to the EC2 instance? Why we need it? So the scenario is basically downloading and uploading files images from EC2 to S3. For that purpose, we are using the S3 bucket. Suppose you have done setup of web server on EC2 and you want to server image videos from S3 bucket, not to store images videos on source code. So it will take time to load the specific file or a specific web server if we have the images over on the server only. So in that case, we don't want the client or the customer which visiting the site to consume more time to load. For that case, we are providing with this service so that the all images and videos get stored in the S3 bucket only, and the only the remaining content of the server will display. So in this way, we have covered the launching of the EC2 instance with IAM role in the Terraform. Thank you.